Hello everybody, Gabe here from Moen.com, and today I'm going to be listing off my top 5 next-gen tech that I wish I had. Now remember, I'm still in high school, so a lot of things that may be relatively cheap for you will still take a couple months of saving up for me to get. Anyway, let's get to it. So coming in at number 5, I have the LG 34UC97 monitor. Now with its beautiful 1440p curved display, there's really nothing more it could ask for. It's 60 Hz, but considering I'm not that big of a gamer, I don't really need much more. Now considering I'm talking next gen, I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, oh, but 4K is next gen, 1440p so last year, oh, and they're already coming up with 5K. I understand, I know what you mean, but for me, a curved monitor that just came out about 2 months ago, I think is perfectly fine. Moving on to number 4, I have the OnePlus One. This phone is so nice. I love the replaceable backs, I love the camera, I love the display, I love how I don't have to use on-screen buttons, but if I want to, I can. I love how I can change the theme. I love everything about this phone. Now, I would move to a Nexus 5 or something, but those on-screen buttons, that's really something I do not like that much. Plus, the OnePlus One is so beautifully made. The bezels are great. The screen is great. But the best part about it is the price. The price is amazing. It's something I would totally settle for if I had the money tomorrow, which I'll probably not have, but probably in a couple weeks, or 3 weeks, and soon, okay? Soon. Coming in at number 3 would have to be a next-gen PC. Now with that, I mean a 980 graphics card, I mean DDR4 RAM, the new chips, the new motherboards, the new everything. And there's really no reason I have to explain this because everything's better, the power consumption's lower, and of course the price is higher. But hopefully in a few months, actually not in a few months because I just got a new PC, but maybe in a year or so, I will be getting that. Those new parts, the new everything, new configuration, the new way computers work. But man, the 980, what a beautiful card, and DDR4 just looks amazing. My second place product would have to be Google Glass. Man, is Google Glass ever cool. Now I can't see myself walking around my high school with it because I'd kind of look like a dork. But definitely, if I'm going on a vacation or something, I can see the maps feature being very useful. With that being said, I can see the camera on the Google Glass being used for something a GoPro would be used for, but not as adventurous. Maybe going for a bike ride or vlogging or something like that. I would love to have Google Glass. It's so futuristic, it's so cool. It's just something I wouldn't see myself using on a day-to-day basis, and that's why I'm not ready to drop $1,500 on it. So Google, please do a release of it. Please don't price it like $800 just because there's no competitors. Price it as you should, come with the hardware it comes with or whatever, because I really want this. And I know you're listening. I know you're listening. Now, the numero uno, the first place, the top of my wish list has to go to the Moto 360. It's probably the most realistic on here, and it's probably the most interesting. Because I bet you 5 years ago, maybe a little bit more than 5 years ago, because 5 years for me seems like 2005. So back in 2005, you wouldn't think ever of someone having a watch that pairs with their phone. Nevertheless, a touchscreen watch that has stuff on it. It's super cool, and it's a reasonable price, so that's the reason why I'd get it. And also just look how beautiful it is. Like, Moto, your design team was on point with this. The Moto 360 is so nice. It's probably like the next gadget I'm gonna get just because of how nice it is and how well it runs and everything. Now I know the battery life isn't super fantastic on it, but I bet you it's 10 times better than my phone. Also, that's another reason why I'd wait on getting one, because I need to wait to get a better phone because the battery life on my phone, the Bluetooth would just completely kill it if it was on all day. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this list. For more, subscribe and check out my other videos. Feel free to hit the like button if you liked it. And if you didn't like it, well, dislike it, I don't care. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace!